3, 2, 1. Bienvenidos a Español con Denis. Futuro. Yo voy a casa. Some days ago we made the video with the future in Spanish. In Spanish we don't only have this future. Yo comeré, yo trabajaré. In Spanish we have another future when we use the verb ir, then the preposition a, and then the infinitive of the verb. It's very simple, and I think it's maybe easier for you to use this future than the other one that we did some weeks ago. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch here in the description. You can find that video, guys, because today it's future with the verb ir. Are you ready? Guys, in Spanish we have the verb ir, to go. To go. The verb ir is to go in Spanish, and it's irregular verb, so you need to remember the conjugation. Yo voy, tú vas, él va, ella va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, ellos, ustedes van. Yes, so the construction of this future in Spanish is first the verb ir, to go, the one that you need if it's yo, tú, él, ella, and so on. Then the preposition a is very important to use always this preposition after the verb ir. Yes. And then the infinitive form of the verb. For example, yo voy a bailar, it means I will dance. Yo voy is like I will, or I am going to, how you prefer to translate. Yo voy a bailar salsa. Take the first person of the verb, and then a, the preposition, and then the infinitive, and you add maybe a noun if you need that, okay? So, yo voy a bailar, yo voy a viajar, yo voy a comer paella, yo voy a beber zumo. It's simple like that. This is maybe the easier future in Spanish. If the other one that we did some weeks ago it was hard for you, you can use this one, and also can help you to build the sentences in future without problem, like English. I will, you will, and so on. So, the second one is tú vas. Tú vas a bailar salsa. Tú vas a viajar. Tú vas a comer. Tú vas a escribir. Tú vas a trabajar. Yes, guys, it's just that simple. If it is nosotros, it's vamos a bailar, vamos a viajar, vamos a comer, vamos a escribir. Or if it is ellos, van a viajar, van a escribir, van a beber, van a salir. Yes, just like that, you need the verb conjugation, yes? Then preposition a, and then the infinitive verb that you need. Let's take, for example, I will work. In Spanish, I will work. Yo voy a trabajar. I will work. Yo voy a trabajar. I will live there. Yo voy a vivir allí. Leer to read. Tú vas a leer hoy. Él va a leer. Nosotros vamos a leer el libro. Ellos van a leer. So you only need, guys, you only need this, and this is the future, and this is the other future in Spanish that you need to know. I think it's not hard. Just need, remember, the verb ir, always preposition, and then the infinitive verb. You can use even the verb ir 2 times. For example, yo voy a ir a la playa. Yo voy a ir al parque. Yo voy a ir a jugar. So you can conjugate the verb ir, then a, then ir again, and then the noun. Yo voy a ir al trabajo. Yo voy a ir a bailar. Ir. Interesting. Yo voy a ir a caminar. Or talking about the weather. Hoy va a llover. Hoy va a nevar. Yes. So today you know the future with the verb ir is very easy. Guys, if you like this video, you can like and subscribe for future content. You can write me on the comments down below. What do you think? It was easy? It was useful? Do you like this future more than the other one? Like yo trabajaré, yo voy a trabajar. Yo comeré, yo voy a comer. Tú bailarás, tú vas a bailar. Yo voy a dormir, yo dormiré. 2 futures you have now, and let me know in the comments what do you think, guys. And if you know someone that is learning Spanish, just share the video, like and subscribe. If you think this can be useful for you or for other people, you can just share, like and subscribe. And remember that you can watch already a lot of videos in this channel, Spanish with Dennis. The future, the past, the present, the irregular verbs, the regular verbs, pretérito indefinido, pretérito imperfecto, futuro, presente, present, irregular, regular verbs. All this you can find in Spanish with Dennis, guys. So you can watch those videos here in the description. You can find or here, guys. Nos vemos en la próxima. Cuídense y pásenla bien. Estudien con el futuro. Yo voy a tomar una siesta ahora. Hasta la vista.